everybody. Welcome to English Expressions with Dr. Steph. You know, very often we confuse figures of speech. We very often think of a metaphor and wonder how it is different from a simile. Or we think of an assonance and wonder how it's different from an alliteration. Today we want to look at two new figures of speech. One is a paradox, the other is an oxymoron. Too often we confuse these. They do have something in common. They both have to do with self-contradictions. So seemingly, the phrase contradicts itself, yet there is an element of truth or wit connected with it. When we look at an oxymoron, the contradiction is not side by side. For an oxymoron, the self-contradiction must fall directly beside each other. So, if we were to go to an example of a paradox, you are too cruel to be kind. We have self-contradictory terms, cruel and kind. However, they do not fall directly beside each other. If I were to say, could I have an original copy of your document? Or if over lunch I would say, ooh, what a jumbo shrimp. Or if I say, this is a bittersweet moment. These terms have contradictions directly beside each other. Bittersweet, jumbo shrimp, original copy. What then is the difference between a paradox and an oxymoron? They both have to do with self-contradiction, but for an oxymoron, the contradictions are side by side. Thank you so much for joining us today on English Expressions with Dr. Steph. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.